everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Stacy. It is your girl Stacy with another video. If you are new here, thank you for coming by and checking out one of my videos. If you are a subscriber, thank you for returning to watch another one of my videos. So real quick, before we get started, if you aren't a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click the bell button so you get notified when I upload a new video. Just a little background about my channel. My channel is a little bit of everything because I am a mom, I am a professional, I am a influencer, content creator. So I just do a little bit of everything. So kind of like lifestyle. So whatever's going on in my life, you may see a video about it. So let's jump right into this video. So as you can see, I just have on like a regular sports bra from Walmart, and I am going to be showing you today what I use for my workout. So I have on this sports bra so I can show you how I put it on. I have one of the bras from Shefit. Absolutely love these bras. I have two of them now and they are amazing. So you saw the hype, you saw the ads, and I was like, I don't know about that. And I took the leap and took the chance and ordered it. So just to give you a little bit of overview, it does have the strap around it that adjusts, and then it has the straps on the actual straps that adjust. On the zipper, it has two of these clamps that reinforce the tightness, and then a zipper. So those are going to be your main reinforcements. So I'm just going to put it on. How I put it on is I just open it up and then I do like this. So kind of like you putting on a shirt. And then I bring it around. So the bottom is already buttoned, and I button these two. So as you can see, I button this one and I button this one, and then I pull it over my chest. So I have it like this. And then it has these flaps that kind of cover up the zipper. And so then I zip it. So I'm going to show you how I zip it. I zip it up. Hold on. And you will have a guide that tells you what size you select. So I zip it up. I cover this flap over. And the flap goes all the way through the bra. So I cover the flap so the zippers are intact. And then if I need it tighter, I take these down. As you can see, I pull it up. And you just Velcro it wherever you want it to stop. And then if I need this tighter, I can always take it loose. Pull it tighter, and there we are. So it is very secure. As you can see, it crosses in the back. Very secure. I'm going to give you a look around. Very secure. When you're jumping, you see little movement, except for my belly. So I absolutely love this bra. They have all different styles, depending on what you're looking for, depending on the I guess the amount of support you're looking for. They have different kinds. I will put a promo code down below, so if you want to get a discount on it when you're ordering it, you can. But overall, I can say that I love my Shefit. It's been very supportive for any kind of HIIT, high impact, jumping workouts, running. It's been awesome. So I usually don't wear a sports bra under it, but of course, being appropriate. But just wanted to show you guys what it was about and how it fit someone plus size. So hope you liked this video. Hope it gave you the answers about Shefit. And if you're going to order, use my link down below for a discount. And also hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for coming by to Everyday Stacy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.